Some things in life just don't make any sense. As I look out into society right now, I see things that the average person doesn't see. Or maybe they do see it, but they push the truth back in their minds because they don't want to accept that the world is actually that messed up right now. I see a lot of overly optimistic people. And it's good to have optimism. It's good to have belief, self-faith. But you need rational faith, rational optimism that makes sense, that has practicality attached to it. As I look out into society today, all I see is government corruption. Some of you guys might not see it, some of you guys do see it, but that's why I'm here to make this video, to expose some things to you. I don't know what it is, but the last couple of days, I've been in this mode of harsh truth. Normally, we're talking about things women are doing and the dating and mating stuff, but I'm not interested in any of that right now because that issue is we're kicking the can down the road just like we are with everything else. The thing with humankind is they're always late to the party. They're always trying to do things last minute. You see this in everything. Nobody is ahead of the 8 ball. They're always late, even though the signs are there. They say the good die young. So if the good die young, that means evil always prevails because it lives longer. Corruption is everywhere. One of the big topics that is going around right now is getting rid of criminals, basically illegal migrants. And these are criminals. If you come across the border undocumented, you are a criminal. If you didn't go through the right process to become an American citizen, you are a criminal. And so we're having this issue with illegal migrants. And really what we're having the issue is with the cartel as well. We have a big drug problem going on in our society. And it's funny to me because everybody thinks that if we just send Delta Force, which is a 2,000 soldier unit, super tiny unit, if we just send them throughout Latin America, that'll kill the issue. If we just send special forces, the top 15% of the military, that'll stop the cartel. Guys, let me break some news to you. When you see these illegal migrants and these, ICE, arresting these people, these are not the big name people. These are the low levels of the cartel that they don't care about, or these are the people that aren't really connected to anything. They're just on the street doing stupid stuff, really. Guys, the cartel has access to the television and the news like you do. They knew Trump was going to come in. They've already made plans around this. Why do we think the cartel is so stupid and so dumb when they've infiltrated North America and South America? Multiple cartel units are all over the place. When we destroyed and captured El Chapo, his drug cartel is stronger and better than ever. So if we think we're just going to brute force the way and invade and that's the way we get rid of the cartel, guys, we're going to have to disincentivize them through financial means. And we're going to have to teach the American people and stop pushing this propaganda of drug use and mental health and depression like Euphoria and some of these rap lyrics, Miley Percocet. Molly Percocet, chase a check. Now we got to get rid of that kind of music because we're making people into dope fiends, which is creating a market for the underground world to serve their goods. But to add insult to injury, we have American city mayors that are defending illegal migrants. Why would you defend criminals, guys, if you're opposed to them, if you're not working with them? This is what I mean by governmental corruption. Why would you work with the illegal migrants? They're criminals. There's somebody somewhere making a lot of money off of these people, working with them, getting paid off of the dysfunction that is being caused. This is why I say corruption is all I see. Our society is going through a massive change. Yes, Trump is going to do a lot of good things, but there's only so much you can do in 4 years. There's only so much. We have to fix a lot of things, maybe our education system. I was watching a video recently that just talked about MBAs and how MBAs from high level universities like Harvard don't guarantee you a successful career anymore. A lot of people with these MBAs still can't find a job. A lot of jobs today require, just for entry level jobs, at least 2 to 3 years of experience, but they're still selling you on trying to go to college and not get skills. And don't get it twisted, guys. I'm not saying college is all around evil. If you are in the medical field, if you are in STEM engineering, you have to go. If you're in law, you have to go to college. That's your certification to a degree. But to everybody else in between, you're stuck between a rock and a hard place because, we have AI coming out as well. It's going to take a lot of people's jobs as well. We front like we're so big and bad, but our education system is some of the worst in the world, and we're in a developed country. But yet nobody wants to acknowledge this or see it. Nobody wants to make changes to it. I wonder why. Maybe because there's benefit from keeping you stupid. What do you guys think about society today? Do you think we're fine? Do you think we're headed in the right direction? Do you think this is good or bad? What do you guys think? Maybe you guys don't see it. What if you guys let me know in the comment section if you think we'll be okay, everything will be all right. But like I said earlier, our society is going through a massive change. Some of it for the better, some of it for the worse. But it is what it is right now. And it's going to be a very interesting next 3 to 4 or 5 years to see what's really going on. But you guys have a good day. Try to have a good day, good week, and I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.